Hello everyone, this is Kartik. So guys, in the previous video of our JavaScript series, we already discussed about object iterables, and in this video we are going to start function invoke. So before getting late, let's get straight into our amazing tutorial. But guys, before getting into a tutorial, make sure that you have smashed the subscribe button and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So anyways, let's get straight into our amazing tutorial. So guys, first of all, let me open my Visual Studio Code. Here let me close all the folders, and up here let me close all the files really quick. And here we have to just create a folder and just name it as func, and inside that create a file which name is index.html. Here let's add a boilerplate like this, and let me close this navbar really quick, and let's add a script tag right here. So now we are ready to go and good to go with our HTML. So guys, JavaScript function invocation is used to executes the function code, and it is common to use the term call a function instead of invoke a function. So guys, the code inside a function is executed when the function is invoked or called. So guys, for that let's create a syntax. So let's say function, here my function like this, my func, or let's say, and here let's add the variable name of whatever you want to add here. Then let's say return that variable, and we have to call this function. So for that we have to just add my func value. That's it. So guys, this is an syntax, or you can say an simple example. So we have to create a function and we have to just invoke it. So guys, in invoking function as a method. So guys, let's say how to invoke a function as a method. So guys, for that let's create a variable object, my object like this is equal to something like this, and after that here we have to create a variable and let's name it as whatever you want. Let's say value, whatever you want. Then here let's add function like this, function and function. And guys, this is not the actual code, it is just syntax that we are creating. So here let's say return like this, return this dot var like this, and here let's say my object something like this dot function. What are function? Okay, function like this. Let me name it as func, and here func like this. So this is just the syntax. So that's how we create an object, invoking a function as an object. I just mean method. So guys, now in this code you can say the func, which is the function name method, is a function that, and this function belongs to the object, and my object is the owner of the function. So guys, now let's discuss about what this is in our actual code. So guys, the parameter this is the object that owns the JavaScript code. In the case the value of my object, value of this, like my object, will be changed or something. So guys, now let me open our browser really quick. So guys, here you can see all the source code are available on our website. So if you want to grab source code, so go check it now, codolearn-docs1.pythonanywhere.com. So guys, here you can see I wrote all the PDF, not PDF, all the documentation, all the things that you want. So guys, here now let's discuss about these codes. So guys, first of all, so this is just a basic invoking method. So here you can see we created var my object, which is our object name, and we assigned a value to variable, or whatever variable name to a value, something value. Then we created a function name, which is our function, and we add function, and we return this dot variable, that is our object's value. Then we just do my object dot function name. That's it. So guys, now let's see an actual example. So guys, for that, first of all, here you can see we created a function with using a function keyword. Then we created my function, which is our name. Then we assigned two variables, which is a and b. So here we make this like return a plus b, and we created document.getElement by id, which is codolearn, we have to create a p tag, and we assign window.myFunction a to 50 and b to 60. So let's do in our VS Code. Let me comment out this really quick. And here guys, first of all we have to create function like this, then my func like this, and we have to create a and b, and here guys something like this. We have to create return like this, return a plus b, something like this. And then here guys we have to do nothing, we have to do document dot get element by id like this, and we have to target codolearn because we are going to create a p tag or h1 which says codolearn. And here we added inner html is equal to window dot myfunc, which is our function's name, and assign the value, let's say 10 plus 50. So guys, in our HTML body, let's create h1 or let's create h3 and see the result of 10 plus 50 is, and after that let's create a p tag, and here let's add id to codolearn like this. Control S to save. And here guys you can see okay, first of all we have to copy the file path here really quick, and in our browser let's open and paste the URL and just press enter. So guys, here you can see the result of 10 plus 50 is 60. So guys, I hope you understand JavaScript function invoke, and guys in the next tutorial we are going to discuss about JavaScript more topics, and it will gonna be more fun. So for that, bye bye, see you later and take care.